Hi everyone, so today I will be talking about the interactive video, and this is H5P, one of the features in H5P. And I think this video will be a little long, and let me show you what we are going to do here. So this is the video, and that will be in front where the student log in, like the first thing they see when they log in, they will see the video immediately, and I will show you how we put it in here. Let me show you part of the video. So this is YouTube video, and I
في الدال.
managed to make this
نكتب
like
حرف الدال
question
بالطريقة
answer
التالية:
video. So
خط منحني
they
ثم
will
خط
be
مستقيم.
interrupted here after this to
خط
answer a
منحني
question so
ثم
they
خط
can continue.
مستقيم.
So
أحسنت.
right
هيا
here, you see how they are asked to choose the حرف الدال, which one is the dal. So if they choose the correct one, we'll give them the chance to continue. And if they choose something wrong, it will ask them to choose again. So here, let me show you. So yeah, it's only one that is correct, and that is the one right here. So check it, and it's 1 out of 1. And then
هيا نحاول مرة ثانية.
And then when
خط
they reach to this
منحني
point right
ثم
here,
خط
you see that
مستقيم.
there they will be
ديك.
prompted with another question. So let's see
ديك
the other
ديك.
question. Now it's drag and drop, sorry. Drag and drop. So it's asking them أي كلمة تبدأ بحرف الدال? Which one start with the dal? If they put this one and grab and check, it will say 0. Try again. If they choose this one, let's say try again. If they choose the right one, and it will ask them to continue. Okay?
كلمات في وسطها حرف الدال.
Now when they reach to this point, it will ask
قدر.
them another question. Now, أي كلمة في وسطها حرف الدال? Which one has the dal in the middle? And of course it's هدية, so check it and check the answer. And they get 1 out of 1.
كلمات تنتهي بحرف
Now when they
الدال.
get to here, there will be different questions
نقود.
now. Different activity, which is
العب معنا الآن. أي كلمة تبدأ بحرف الدال؟
أي كلمة تبدأ بحرف الدال? Which one start with the dal here? And that's دراجة. So if they choose this one, we'll tell them that's wrong. It's دراجة. Okay. So try again. And it's correct. So they can continue.
دراجة.
أحسنت.
So this is what we are going to do today, and we need some tools, and also we need some pictures to make this interactive video. The first thing we need to do is downloading the download manager, which is this one. Right? Let me show you here. This is an app that we need to download to our computer in order to download the YouTube things, because if you choose it from YouTube directly, it's not gonna work. So you are going to search for this application, which is called downloader 4K downloader video downloader, sorry. So we search here in box 4K video downloader, just right here. Okay, and you download it to your computer. I already did, so you click on download and install it, and you should be fine. And when you open it, now you would like to choose like one of the videos to make it interactive. So you go on YouTube And this app,
And this is
actually,
what
the downloader is specifically for YouTube videos. You can download it from, like, let's say, سباق الحروف for kids. This is one of the videos that the kids love to watch. So I would like to download this, for example. What I do is just copy in the link, copy, and open download manager or download video 4K. It's already open here. And you click on past link because it's already copied. So you click here and it will start downloading the video. Yes. It will show you this and ask you if you want to download. You click download and it will show you the path where it will be downloaded and start downloading right here. You see it? It's almost there. Now we open this and take the video and we can just click on these dots and show in a folder. As you can see, it's right here. So I have this on Windows C user and videos. It's in the videos on the side right here. When we click on this, it will be shown right here. Okay, so I know where I kept my video and it's ready. Let me go ahead and go to Moodle and start the activity or start creating the activity. First thing first, which is turning editing on, and then we go creating new assignment, add an activity or resource, and we choose H5P, which is interactive content. This is what we need to go, where we need to go, and then we choose from here, from the list. You see, for me, because it's recently used, so I used the interactive video. For you, it's probably somewhere in here. You just look for it. It's called interactive video. And really, I like this one because it has all the other ones inside it. So it will have the diagram, the drag and drop, all the things except the memory game and things. Some of them are not there, but it really has a lot of these choices. So you click on it and it will give you some instructions guide. Well, you don't have to worry about this. If you follow my steps, then you should be fine. So the first thing first is uploading the video, which we just got. So I click on this here and upload video from the computer because it gives you the choice here. If you notice, if you see this, past YouTube link or other video source URL. But if you do, then it's not going to be like, you can't really add the interactive things. It's not going to accept it unless you have it from your own computer. And I believe it's something related to copyrights. So okay, so we said we uploaded the video and it should be right here in videos. Let me show you the videos, and it's right here. Okay, so it's already uploaded right here. This is the video. What we need to do, we go to add interactions. Next is adding the interactions. So we click on interactions and it will give us again some instructions. You don't need that if you follow my steps, as I said. So now you have the video. You can start it and then choose one of the interactions that you like to add in this video. And each one of them, it actually has some steps to follow. And I will go over a few of them today, and hopefully, like in next videos, I will to tell you more about the other ones. So let's go ahead and start the video so we can stop it.
سباق الحروف مع سوبر جميل. يا ترى من سيفوز اليوم؟
Alright, so I need to stop here. For me, I would like, it's asking like, what do you think? Who is going to win? Is it Dal, Zal, Ra, or Dal? Okay, so I will ask the student questions about their opinion and what they think. I will choose a single choice set, which has like one question and 3 or 4 choices to pick from. So I will click on this one, and I would like to show this as a poster because I don't want them to click on it and then continue. So posters is a good choice, and the period of this is showing like from 11 like 0.11 to 20. This is actually long time, so I would say just like maybe uh 3 seconds or 4 seconds. So let's say from 11 to maybe 12 or 13, let's say 2 seconds, and really it's gonna pause until they answer, so it's not a big deal. The label will be shown there until this time. So 13 is enough. And then we choose a title for this. You could choose really any title. The title is not gonna show, but I will say اختر ماذا تعتقد, or what do you think, or which letter which letter will win. أي صوت أو أي حرف سوف يفوز. And then the question is here, and we would like to put it in the middle so make it like look nice. أي حرف سوف يفوز. And we choose now the correct choices. Or the first one is always the correct, so you put it right here. Now this is for you. The correct one is the first, but for him or for the kid, it will show in different order. So you put the correct answer here, which is dal. Okay, and then you write maybe the other letters are zay, I believe, and that we add another answer, and we put it also in the middle, and we say ra and dal, I believe, dal. So we try to keep them straight and in the middle, and maybe we get them a little bigger so the kids can see them. I don't know why Moodle don't really give more choices to make the handwriting look bigger and nicer. Uh, anyway, so could be this will be showing fine, I believe. And then you don't need another question, it's only one. So you can delete the other question. And now here you need to add this one, require full score, sorry, require full score for a task before proceeding. That means it won't continue until like the kid answer it correct. So here, now it will be looking like this now when we click done, but you can click on it and resize it, so it will be looking nicer. And here you get a little down, so it will be looking better. And now it's gonna prompt the student this question when they reach to this point. Okay, So let's go, let's continue and add more questions.
حرف الدال يتقدم. الفائز هو حرف الدال.
دال 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 دال.
So this is good. We keep going until we find some other place
دودة
that
دودة
we
دال
need to add another
دودة
question maybe.
دال دودة دراجة ديك دال.
Okay, so I try to, get the video over.
أين يختبئ حرف الدال؟
Now, this is another question here. We can tell أين يختبئ حرف الدال, and we add a question. And maybe we get this in a different type of. So let me show you one more time which icon we should click on. Very sure I clicked on this one, so yes, should be this one. And then, as I said, we choose poster, so it show us like some poster instead of icon. And then we said we give this time like maybe 49. 49 should be fine. And that's only 4 seconds. And now we have to add the background, and you really like you can just keep it blank, or you can add some background. I usually prefer to put some background on this. So you can click on this and choose the folder that you would like to grab the background from. And this is just a picture that you choose. You can just save it from the internet. Let me show you here. So for me, I like this background. I saved it and used it before. So let me save it again. Now you need to add the task for this. So you click on add task or task, and now you have the add drop zone and text and images. So what you need to do is add in text and add in the add drop down images. So for me, I have the pictures ready, so I'm going to use the images and the add drop zone instead of the text. Yeah, I click on the images, and it will give me the choice to upload the images that I got. Upload them one at a time, and that will be dub, as we said. And we also, now we call this there, you call it in English or Arabic, up to you. This name is not going to show, but it will be very helpful later on. Let me show you how. Okay, and we really don't need these choices, so we keep it blank and done. And now we have one picture, and we need another picture, so we click on add, and we add an image. Again, we said there is tiger and bear. So, and now we call this tiger. And now you add it. Okay, so you have two images now. What do you need? You can resize these two images to make them fit the right way you want. Okay. And now you need to add the add drop zone, which is just click on it and label it. The label, you can show the label if you want, but this is not a good idea because you need only one of those. So you don't need to call it like some. You can call it and give it a name. It's important, but you don't need to show the label. You don't need to click on show label here. So I will call this just a blank. All right, we need the name, and make sure you click these two because they will help to organize the drag and drop element. So enable auto and can only fit one element. So we click done, and now we have this zoom, which can be in like resized accordingly with your item. So I usually put it here and resize it and then change the place. What do you need to do? Just click on it and drag it. So now we have these two, and we have the place where we put the correct answer. Okay, now I got an idea. Maybe I put here in a label I just put أين يختبئ حرف الدال, which is the question. So, or maybe we ask, where does the letter dal hide? أين يختبئ حرف الدال? Now it's a question and we can show the label, so it will be shown on the top of the place right here. You see it? So when we get it larger, it will show the whole question. Now it's very clear for the students to take it and put it in the right place, either this one or this one. Now it's still not active, and what we need to do next is clicking on the images one by one and make sure you click on this, which is the select drop zone for both of them. For both of them, the same thing. And you click done. Now you go back again, click on the second one and do the same thing, which is selecting the drop zones. Click done, and then you go back again. You click this time on the drop zone itself and choose the correct answer, which is of course, the dal is hiding behind the bear. So we choose the correct answer this time. And you click done. Now it should be active. Okay. Now everything is set for this one. We're all done. We can click on, make sure you click on this one, which is action on wrong, and you require a full score for task before proceeding, and then you click done. Now we have it here. Again, we resize it because it does not look okay. And resize it until like you are very satisfied with it. I noticed that it doesn't have title, so we change the title here. We can say, where does the letter dal hide? So we just repeat the same question. It will help again to show clear picture for the student. So and now make it bigger and proceeding. Okay, even bigger. And yeah, we cover the whole screen, that's fine. Okay. Alright. Yes, I think this should be fine. Let me just make it. Okay, good. Alright, so we got it all covered, and this is where it starts asking the question. Alright, now we continue with the video and see if we have any more questions.
حرف الدال خلف الدب. أحسنتم. دال 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 دال.
All right, so this is here. Maybe we stop here and add some statement asking the student to get a piece of paper or get a board with the marker and start writing the dal. If you finish, you come back and continue. Okay, so we actually choose statement and we label the statement, or label is not really important, but the title is. So, okay, write the letter دال. اكتب الحرف دال. And introduction. Okay,